Hi guys, I'm Pradeep. Today we'll discuss about the five command of part modeling workbenches in Mentor Autodesk. That is extrude command and revolve and sweep and loft and coil command. And briefly explain and about minimum times taken. So that let's start now. That is the extrude command. So that I am go to the sketch work sketch making the sketch in the xy plane. Okay, after that go to the make and sketch, that is the center rectangle. I am given the center point of the rectangle and draw this rectangle here and give the dimension is 50 and other is 100. Okay, and after that I am completed the sketch. Okay, and then go to the extrude and select the profile. Firstly given here the profile selected and this option I am briefly explain about some in different new videos. That is the most important command were used in it. And output is that is solid and surface. And now I'm selected the solid options and this is the surface. And that is the rule of given the extent your the dimension, what is the want to extrude here. So the distance options are available, distance to and between. And firstly distance is given here, I am given 50 and is completed because I'm 50 dimensions is put on the command box. Okay, and second option is to means which plane to it is work on. I'm secondly given you, and this is the direction of the extrude, and that is the symmetric, and that is two direction. That is the different type of dimensions we given. That is 60. Okay, and so that I make a plan so to understand to you how to sorry extrude offset, that is 50, and go to the 2 so that it asks to give in the plan where to extend. Okay, I'm select this plan and then okay, then it is this is not given the distance for complete the command. So that now the second option is between also, and between is given the two plane, that is the firstly I am given the this plane and given first this plane, and your command is completed, that is the betweens. Okay, this is the extrude command, and after that I am making a revolve, how to make a revolve command using. So that I am making an revolve command, so making the this case and make it delete and not deleted the sketch. And also revolve, go to the revolve command and select the profile here and go to the axis. This is the my axis. And okay, and this is the same option here. Okay, solid, that is the join. Okay, that the cut, and that is the intersect. Okay, how to highlight it this, and so that I will go to the second options. Now make an sketch here for better understanding. So I make an sketch. uh, Now make an sketch here and give the distance, some distance here given. Go to the axis and given the dimension. The plane, and this is linear diameter is 40 and dimension here to here 20, and this is the not defined, not required. Okay, then done. Then go to the revolve and select the axis here. Okay, then this options is highlighted now. The firstly it is the extrude join command. Okay, this is the cut command. Okay, this is the selected is the material removing process here. Okay, and it is given the and also it is the intersections. Okay, and go to the cut mark. Okay, and this is the pull cut mark, and this is you can give the angle also. Okay, and two, and next given the plan where to revolve it between, and same is from extrude command, and full option full to cut, remove the materials. Okay, this is the revolve command. And after that how to use the sweep command. Okay, so that for a sweep command activated, you can write the two sketches, that the profile and trajectory. So that I'm making the profile. So go to the sketch, and that is my YZ plane, and here are the slides of graphics and F7, and I am making profile, that is just project the point here. Okay, now I am making profile, that is the circle here. Okay, and make it solid and completed. Okay, my profile is ready. After this, sweep the profiles. My profile is here, and path is this path. Okay, and same options here, that is solid and surface, and cut and intersect. I'm go to the cut mark. Okay, path and path of the guide rule. You can guide rules you can do by the guide rules different. I'm go to the simple path, and then okay, that is the swipe. Okay, and also now making the loft, how to make in loop command, so that go to the make in sketch here. Okay, now I make an rectangle. Okay, now go to the another sketch, this plane, on this plane. Now I'm making a circle here. Okay, after that I'm completed. Then go to the loft, then the first select the sections. First section is 1 and second section is 2. Okay, that is the simple loft command, and you can also make it by the rails, that is the rails, and connect by the two rails and the first center line rails. Okay, you can make it by this method. Okay, then how to make a coil. Okay, so that Go to the firstly to make a coil. So go to the firstly you can make a sketch, and after that you can make it. Okay, go. So that I am making a sketch, slice. So that I am project the element. Okay, now I am draw an circle here, and that is the solid. Sorry. Okay, and given the distance also, this from this 3, and the diameter is 1.5. Sorry, 1.5. Okay, and that is coincident with this line. Okay, then it is fully constant now. So now I am given an axis, that is the center line of this sketch. So go to the project now given the axis here, then completed. Okay, and after that we go to the coil, and profile is already selected. Okay, and go to the axis is now, and changing the directions, because I am cutting the remove the teeth on these portions. Okay, so I am direction change and go to the coil, and give the pitch value is 1.25, sorry 2, and revolution is 50, sorry 10. Okay, and I go to the cut. Okay, and the coil pitch is required more. Okay, now they see the result now. I will color change it by the okay. This is my teeth making, but this is the coil command. So that today we are discuss about the 5 command in Autodesk Inventor. That is the extrude, revolve, and switch, and loft, and coil command. And so that please, if any doubt in this 5 command, so please to request to all, please comment on my comment section in this video, so that I am giving you better understanding and explain to you by your personal email ID. Thank you to all for giving me some time for my watches my video. Thank you to all. Thank you. Thank you.